So this is my father's favorite dessert. This is crème caramel or crème renversée, which means upside down custard with caramel on top. And
otherwise known as the bomb.
And it's really good. So I made two. I made one for my dad that I delivered yesterday and one for today. And the kids call this very satisfying to cut.
Yeah.
But basically, it is so easy. I'm going to use my spoon, okay, Oliver? And then you put a little bit.
Jiggle.
Oh, well, you have to be upright. Do it here, do it here.
But bring me, do you want some caramel?
Yes, please, a lot, please.
Okay, there's that. Who wants another slice?
Me.
All right. And who else is going to want one?
Maybe please start.
Daddy?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so just cut between the two of you. Sarah, you want this one?
Yes.
I need a big piece.
I'll share it with you now that I put my spoon right
Who
in it.
does not want to
It is so easy. It's eggs, milk,
You can
and
see our
sugar.
video light behind Mama.
Yeah.
We've been doing video all day. What's happening? We are in the middle of our 3-part Facebook Live on how to attract clients, and it's good. And so we actually did it here in this room, and Derek moved everything about. And so it's time now for crème caramel. Should I teach them how to do this one day?
Yes.
That's pretty advanced.
It's not. It's so easy.
Exactly. It seems like it's super difficult.
That's the thing. Is it seems it's really just four ingredients. You have had some. Ricky has not had.
Egg, sugar, cream.
No cream.
No.
Egg,
Daddy,
sugar,
the queen of
and
baking.
vanilla. That's it. Oh, that's very loud. Enjoy.